So you are done creating your animation and you want to bring it to life using sound. You can now do this with AI. We're going to look at a tool called Audio. It's a video to audio generator. You can set it up in Hugging Face. So let's upload our animation here. So I created an animation of a guy walking down the street. So if this ends up being good, this might actually be one AI tool that I might actually use. So after importing your video, you can go ahead and type in a prompt. And you can see here, they said around 5 to 12-second videos would be fine. So it was trained on 8 seconds videos. So let's change this to 12 seconds. And then I can type in a prompt of a man walking down the street. A man walking down the crowded street with a car driving by. I don't know if that English is correct. Well, so go ahead and press submit. And then it only takes a few seconds for this to happen. All right, it's done. So let's see what this sounds like.
Peasants, not elms.
I don't know why I added that sound. Maybe it's because of the prompt I used. Negative prompt music. Let's add voice to this. On the street. The car driving by. I think this is a better prompt. All right, let's do this again. Let's give it a second chance because that first one was crap. All right, this is a much better result. I can hear the footsteps and the vehicles driving by. This is cool. Let's try another video. I think this might actually work. The results are not bad. I'll try this video that I made of a car parked out in the rain. All right, so be a car parked out in the rain, front of a store. Submit this and see what it come up with. So you can trim your video here by clicking this to trim out parts of the video. So let's see what it came up with. That's not bad. That's not bad. You can always regenerate another, another audio using the same video. All right. I'll give that a 5 out of 10. To rate that audio. Let me try this one. This one is more complex. So we have a machine spraying whipped cream on a donut. So I can type in machine. All right, so let's see what it's come up with. That was close, but I don't think it got it right. Let's see if we can modify the prompt a bit. Tube like machine that sprays cream on cookies. All right, so Oh, it actually got the second part better. If you play just from the second one here, actually got this part very well. But the first part was not really good. Well, this is something that you can actually just edit. But to even get the sound effect in the first place, imagine scrubbing through the internet to get this sound effect. Wow, this just generates it for you. That's actually very nice. I'll rate this like 7 out of 10. All right, so for the final video that I want to test this with is this paintball animation. All right, so we have a ball dipping in paint. So just an object dipping in paint. All right, this better do a good job. I don't actually understand this sound fully. Let me play it again. Yeah, let's give it one try. I'm still hearing voice. Let me put voiceover. That's negative sound. Damn, I've done. I've used up my quota. All right, so using this hugging face, you have a number of tries. There are other ways to install this audio on your device. Maybe I can show you how to get it from GitHub. So what do you think about this tool? Do you think it's something that you would use? Leave a comment under the video. I think when it comes to really complex scenes, it doesn't quite get it right yet, but that's why it has a lot of potential. And this is something that I might actually try. Give it a couple of prompts. It might actually come out with something really good. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. If you actually do try this out, leave a comment under this video telling me how it was.